This is the video of chapter 15, Government, class 6 SS. In this video, I will give you just short notes to learn according to the summary of this chapter. We will just see the point-wise revision of the chapter. Government. Government is needed to run the administration of the nation to take decision. As in your house, in your family, anyone which is a head of your family is taking all the decision for betterment of family. So government is doing the same job for the country. The work of government is administration and taking decision. Government works in the planned way for the development of the country, keeping constitution in mind. Government always work in the planned way. Without planning, work of government cannot be done because countries and the decisions are very vast, so it cannot take in the unplanned way. Always they are thinking for the betterment of people. With it, they must keep always our constitution in the mind. Government is our country is government of our country is elected through the people by the voting. So in our country, especially we are talking about the India, we are electing our government by voting. This constitution, before also in the last class we have seen one time, this is a book of law in which so many rules and so many things are very clear, so that government and any of it is implemented in all the people of country as well as government. So in short way, if you want to understand, this is simply the book of law to rule the India. So all the things are mentioned in the constitution. That is a book. Now the next word you will see in your book is democracy. Democracy, definition of democracy, or in the simple way if you want to understand, democracy is of the people, by the people, for the people. What is the meaning of the people, by the people, for the people? Means this government, democratic way, democracy is formed by the government, formed by the people, work for the people, and made up of also with the people. So this is the actually meaning of the people. We people are only there to elect our government. Okay, so we are only electing our representatives. So we made the government, and same thing they are working for us. So government is for us only. So because of that it is said of the people, by the people, and for the people. In democracy system of governance, government hold the foremost place. Foremost place means the place is in democratic system of governance, government holds the foremost place. Means suppose we are in democratic system, so the government will be always on the foremost place, means in important place, at the appropriate place, prominent place. So this is the importance of democracy. How the democracy, what kind of the democracy, meaning of the democracy. Now this is the short information about the government and democracy. Now let us see our Indian government, how it is working. So our country and our government. We have three-leveled government in India due to the vastness and diversity. We have the three-level government that I will explain afterward. But before it, you have to understand that why we have the different level of government. Vastness means in the physical division also, India is a very big country, vast country. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Gujarat to Assam, the area of India is very large. The next point is the physical division is also so much different. One side plateau, one side mountain, other side oceans, then fourth side desert. So many different kind of physical divisions are available over here. The third important point about the diversity. Meaning of diversity means difference. So we have lots of different in a term of language, attire, food. In the so many way we have the different, very much difference from each other. So because of these both the region, we cannot, any single person from the single place cannot run the entire country. So it is needed 3-level government, different 3-level. Okay, simple example I will give about it. Suppose your father, he has only business in one city. Okay, suppose in Mehsana. So it is very easy that alone he will handle all the things. Okay, and only one office is good for it. But suppose he has different, he has expand his business in entire Gujarat or in entire country of India. Then what will happen? Alone he cannot go one place to another place. So at that time what he will do? He will set up the different office. Okay, head of the department only he will handle, but different office he will settle. So same kind of thing you can understand about the country also. Because India is the largest democracy in the world. We are the largest democracy. Okay, and another thing is also there, and our constitution is the biggest constitution. No country has the largest or biggest constitution than us. So two things, we are the largest democracy and we have the largest constitution. Here the 3-level government which I told you, they are terms as local government, which work in the form or which work for the village and city, means taking care of the village and city, all the things. Just like I'll give you more example, gram panchayat, jilla panchayat, taluka panchayat, that is called rural government. And then nagar palika and municipality and municipal corporation, they are working for city. So this thing will come in the local self government. Then the third one is a state government. Take the charge of entire state. Suppose Gujarat, they have individual our ministry. Rajasthan, they have separate ministry. Same kind of Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Assam, Kerala, whomso will be there. They have separate government for them. They are called state government. Central government take the charge of entire nation. Means here we have central government. So down to it, state government will come. Okay, and down to it, local self also come. Why? Because this cannot do alone for all the things for every place. Central government from Delhi, it cannot run proper administration for all the states, because we have total 29 state and 7 union territories. Now 2 more union territories also added. Okay, no? So many places are here. Same thing, suppose if you will think about only one state like Gujarat. Gujarat is also not a small state. So many things, so many districts are there. So that's why again it's needed local government. So local government work as a city for city and for village. So this is our entire system of government. Remaining part of the chapter I will explain in the next video. Thank you.